So for the past couple years, Hill Electric has formed a relationship with ACTC. The driver for that relationship has been that Hill Electric needs qualified, eager young individuals in the skilled trades, and we also want to go out and be part of our community. What we found with the students at ACTC is that they've had some experience in their life that has given them a desire to pursue the skilled trades.
From a young age, I was watching my dad doing the trades, like around the house, fixing the toilets, changing outlets, just everything, and I just really fell in love with it.
What sparked my interest was my mom being single and she needed help around the house, so I dived into doing plumbing for her and electrical.
The biggest thing that sparked my interest is probably my dad, always working around the house. We built quite a few things. Last summer we built 2 chicken coops.
The thing that sparked my interest in the skilled trades is probably that there's not a lot of people that do it, so there's a lot of job openings, there's some good money in it, there's always people that will need it.
ACTC has done a great job in taking that desire and building it and fueling it.
My favorite part of being trained here is really just the teachers, how much they invest in you and teach you everything you need to know to be successful in the field.
What sparked my interest with ACTC is the construction aspect, mainly the wiring, because it's really hands-on and it's always something new.
My favorite aspect of it is probably the people in it, the people I get to be around, I get to work with. They're fun, we're always cracking jokes at each other, but we're always getting work done too.
One of our core values at Hill Electric is workforce development. That's investing in our people through education. ACTC builds a good foundation for these students by providing education in a different way. They give them a hands-on approach.
It's fun. I like using the saws and everything. I like, manipulating the wood to what it needs to be.
Just all the hands-on stuff I love.
I've gotten to do a bunch of things that I don't think I would have ever done, like framing a tiny house that's going to be solar and fully self-contained.
They're getting to work with hand tools. They're getting to work as a group. They're having to take leadership. It's as real life experience as they can get. And us partnering with them enables me to go in and dial down a little bit more on some specifics of the electrical field.
Since I spent some time with Hill Electric today, I really like the aspect of how well I can tell that they invest in their employees, and that's really just what intrigued me about it.
Today from Hill Electric, they came in, they talked to us about like amps and stuff, how some of that works. He also talked about how important safety is.
What I learned from Hill Electric is that safety is important. You should always make sure that the breaker's off and use the right tools and always have your safety equipment.
I learned from Hill Electric that while running conduit through the ceiling, there's a lot more math involved than I thought there was.
A few of the ways that Hill Electric partners with ACTC is through scholarships. We give away a couple scholarships a year to students that want to go on to further education. We sponsor a build for the students to get hands-on and make a shed that we then auction off in the community. We give away tools to the students and to the program for them to use in their development. We also will go interview the students for trial practice, and then a select few will hire as interns that they get to work at Hill Electric while they're still in school and get credit and paid.